Morning all. Today we are going to discuss skills of management or the manager what skills he should have to work on top level, middle level or bottom level, low level position in the organizations. Already we have discussed last video that there are three levels, which is top level and middle level and lower level. These levels are required specific roles and responsibilities depending on their levels, and that is required specific skill also. So, like it is shown in the diagram, if you see from top to bottom, it is shown that top level people, it is having more area of conceptually skill diagram, and middle level it is having little bit less of top level executive, whereas lower level they are having very less conceptual skill, but they are having more technical skill area, which is shown on a skill diagram. Here it is nothing but technical skill, motor skill, whereas it is the things from 1 to 3 levels, top, middle and bottom. HR, human relations skills, almost everything it is common in everywhere. Everybody has skills, everybody wants to talk to the people, everybody wants to gossip, everybody wants to have friendship. Everybody, even not only men, even animals also. In fact, men also nothing but animals. It developed from animals. Evolved from the animals, so it is man who is having a skill. So these are the things which is top 1, level 2, level 3. It is all levels which will be having all the different constitutions here. How exactly what is there, like level 1, this is top level people who are making coordinate all specialties and make policy for the company as a whole. With level 2, middle level, it will be generally a person who interact with the top level and get executed the policy by the low level program, low level person. Level 3, generally it is lower level management, first line of supervisory level, foreman, supervisor of budget. See, these are the things which is we are going to see here in diagram. In level 3, you can look at very well, technical skill is more here. So now let's go in detail skill. What is skill? Skill is individual ability to translate knowledge into actions. Everybody is having different skills. Everybody has their different nature and characteristics. Everybody has different qualifications, understanding of the subject or whatever it is. So people who they are good in translate their knowledge into action, to activate, to actualize. Skill is not necessary it is having by born, inborn. It is developed through practice, through relative learning to one's own personal experience and background. So it is not born in, it is not come to the people, it is with the born, it is developed with surroundings, it developed through seeing, watching, supervising your friends circle, your parents motivation, etc. All indirectly or directly they are learning one own personal and experience and background. Manager may have any one of the following skills, already we have shown in the diagram. This is conceptual skill, deals with the ideas. The ideas who making plan, strategies, top level management people, they are making generally success of the companies. It all depends on this particular uh, skill, which is it is must for the top level people because they are dealing long term objective strategy and policy. Whereas human skill is common for all people, it is necessary for the good leader, manager in all level. Everybody has almost very common this skill, whether it's the top level, middle level, or bottom level. You can see in clearly diagram the area of the human area relations area everywhere top and middle and first, second, third area is almost same. Conceptual skill in details, it refers to creative and innovative ability. His ability to access the environment and changes taking place, in other words, ability to capitalize the environment, organization his own job, so that he can set appropriate goal for his organization, for himself and for his team. His skills seem to be increased in importance as manager. His skills seem to be increased in importance as manager moves up higher position of the responsibility in the organization. So this is the where the people they are having a skill of dealing of making policies and plan that is known as conceptual skill. Next, we are going to talk about technical skill, which is bottom of the diagram. You can see it is very low level it is more, whereas on top level it is little bit. They may not be necessarily having all technical skills. A skill in manager understands the nature of job and people under him to have to perform. It refers to a person's knowledge and proficiency in a types of process or technique. This skill is more in lower level management and may not be necessary vast knowledge in the top level management, but always good if it is having top level management. This is having little bit people, they are having little bit technical skill or motor skill also, it is better. But here I have to point out that the only skill where generally people they develop with training and they develop with experience surroundings. That is the reason the son of the mechanic, it become easy to become mechanic. The son of the teacher, he become very easy in teaching line. The son of doctor, he become doctor. Like this, that is developed automatically in the generation to generation. Middle level managers are having more of functional areas, which is more important, say to marketing, sales, correct? And the technical component becomes less important in this point. Human relation skill, that is the second one, which is having ability to interact effective with people at all levels. This skill develop in the manager sufficient ability to recognize the feeling and sentiments of the others, to judge the people reactions to an outcome of the various courses of action he undertake. The examine his own concept and values, which may be enable him to develop more useful attitude. That's all today. This end of my video today, skill of management. Thank you very much.